Chocolate Stout Cupcakes with Guinness Draft. Hey guys, so this is one of my favorite combination desserts because I like to drink alcohol, but I also like my sweets. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I use Hershey's. We're going to take a cup of sugar. We're going to take a cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to take a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to take just a pinch of salt. And we're just going to whisk those dry ingredients together in a small mixing bowl. And then we're just going to set that aside. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our wet ingredients. So we're going to take 6 ounces of Guinness Draft Stout beer. We're going to take a half a stick of melted butter, about a half a teaspoon of vanilla, or just maybe a little dash vanilla. Then we are going to take, I'd say about 3 large dollops of sour cream. 1, 2, 3. Take 2 large eggs, and we're going to beat them 1 egg at a time. So now we're going to incorporate our dry ingredients slowly. We're going to mix that into our wet ingredient. Make sure you get all that good stuff around the edge of the bowl, and that should be a nice, beautiful consistency for a nice cake, cupcake batter. We're going to fill some cupcake tins about 3/4 of the way up. Now, this recipe makes 12 cupcakes. Alright, hey guys, so these have been baked off for about 20 minutes or so. They look fantastic. They have a beautiful sheen. They look very moist. When you cut into these, they should open up and just look so soft, moist, almost like a devil food cake. What we like to do to finish these off is we like to inject them with some whipped cream. And we're gonna just actually make a little bit of a slit and just make a little bit of a design, and you're all set. Just like an old-fashioned devil dog, our take on the old-fashioned devil dog. Cream, moist, the beer adds a lovely flavor to it. Cocoa. Absolutely delicious. And don't forget to wash it down with some Guinness Stout. And thanks for hanging out at my favorite eats. These are delicious. Subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think. Give us your thoughts. Check out a few of our videos. And of course, what's your favorite eats? We'll see you.